total solar eclipse on April 8, 2024. View from the ISS. Being at an altitude of 408 kilometers above the northeastern coast of the USA, the crew of Expedition 71 observed Umbra, the shadow of the moon, on the Earth's surface. Now we can admire this beauty too. Sicily's Etna volcano has started releasing smoke rings. A mixture of smoke, water vapor, and other gases comes out of the crater. Storm Kathleen caused impressive waves in Portleven, Cornish, England. A severe storm has hit Cape Town in the Western Cape, South Africa.
Sorry familie, maar Nick is ook daar buite.
Galapagos Islands. Lava flows from the Cumbre volcano on Fernandina Island, one of the westernmost parts of Ecuador's Galapagos archipelago, reached the Pacific Ocean this Sunday, 35 days after the eruption began, according to the Galapagos National Park Directorate. Large waves and coastal flooding in St. Melo, Brittany, northwest France. Storm Hurricane hit Finisterre yesterday and continues to hit the Brittany coast today. At least 3 departments have declared an orange alert due to strong waves and coastal flooding.
Ah bah ouais, non, mais là ça va les câbles.
Oh, oh là 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 là.
Ça arrive de se faire emporter, hein.
Heavy hailstones hit the city of Allandale in Austin, Texas, USA.
Not this bad.
Large-scale forest fire in Sultan Bathery in Wayanad, Kerala, India. Heavy flooding due to heavy downpour in Gaziantep, Turkey.
Megan gitti, vallahi Megan gitti. Allah esirger inşallah.
Allah esirger olur.
Gaziantep Cinderesi, durum vahim.
Bu arabanın önünde siyah şey diye poşet gibi duruyor ama abi. Poşet gibi duruyor.
A strong dust tornado was spotted in Tongliao in Inner Mongolia, China.